morning, West Michigan. 6:47 now as we wake up to fairly quiet weather conditions this morning. Visibility is good. A few spotty areas of very light snow, not a whole lot of wind. So overall, for a morning commute this morning, not quite as active as the last couple of mornings have been. Temperatures outside, for the most part, are in the teens. You can notice it's a little colder from Sturgis, cold water to the south. We've got a southwesterly breeze this morning, and so those areas that completely miss any impact of Lake Michigan will see temperatures hold in the single digits this morning, and wind chills for the most part in the single digits above, to in some places just a little bit below zero. Overall this morning, just a few areas of very light snow flurries coming together, a few spotty areas of light snow. But boy, the big story comes later on tonight into the day tomorrow, as a big storm system is on the horizon, and that will be arriving again after 8 or 9 o'clock this evening. Meteorologist Matt Kirkwood is breaking down the snow totals, which will be quite impressive.
Yeah, at least in some areas. And if you tuned in to Bill Steffen and also Kyle Underwood last night, we were still in a watch mode, but since then we've been upgraded, at least portions of the viewing area from Ottawa, Kent, Ionia, right down to Allegan, Barrie, and also Eaton counties. That's where an advisory is. But where the sweet spot of snow will likely occur from Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and also into Calhoun counties and points to the south, that's where we're expecting more snow. This is how it's going to break down. Futurecast, as Terry mentioned, we're really not expecting much to break out with this next system until about late evening, but it is going to correspond with tomorrow morning's commute, especially from Grand Rapids into the south. Now, kids and the families at home, you may have a snow day to look forward to, especially around Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. And don't hit that snooze button tomorrow, because if anything, you're going to want to give yourself some extra time, especially traveling 131 southward out of Grand Rapids and anywhere along 94 and 196 from Holland southward. Notice how the snow eventually comes to an end, but it's very consistent and persistent south of Grand Rapids, and that's where we're expecting the higher totals. Snowfall forecast, massive range, looking at just 1 to 3 inches. If you're right around the Fremont and Big Rapids area, maybe only an inch of snow, but Grand Rapids down towards Hastings, Holland, Allegan, about 3 to 6 inches towards Ionia. But again, the sweet spot around Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, and areas to the south could pick up as much as 6 inches to a foot of snow. Terry.
And of course, we'll continue to track it for you as we move through today. Join Kyle Underwood and Bill Steffen starting later on tonight. And of course, Matt and I will be in here early tomorrow morning as well. And once this storm system leaves, we've got another couple of chances for snow coming over the weekend as temperatures stay colder than average, only in the 20s. We're back to some sunshine Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We climb into the 30s. Of course, Tom Hillen's going to be tracking the traffic.